Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and clearing any pending dues. That opens the process. Next, gather required documents, degree certificate, consolidated mark sheet, and a government ID so you won't pause later. Then choose the route. Online portal for speed or postal application if you need certified hard copies. Once decided, create your university account or draft the physical application. Fill personal and academic details carefully because mismatches cause delays. Now complete the application accurately. Enter your name exactly as on records, register number, course, year of passing, and contact details. Errors block processing. Attach clear scanned copies or certified photocopies of ID, degree, and all mark sheets, plus fee payment proof. If online, upload PDFs. If postal, include originals where requested. Make payment via the approved gateway or prepare a demand draft and save the receipt. This is your verification if anything goes missing. Finish by verifying submission and noting the tracking or application ID. Keep receipts and copies of everything you sent. Expect processing time and choose pickup or courier delivery based on urgency. Once the transcript is ready, follow the pickup instructions or track the courier. If there's a delay or mismatch, escalate to the exam or controller office immediately. Provide your application ID and payment receipt, and ask for a timeline. Persistence with proof usually resolves stuck cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.